In this video, I will explain how to fix Venmo error. Transaction declined. Please try again in a short while. Start by enabling airplane mode on your mobile device. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Look for the airplane icon in the top left section and tap it. Your internet connection and phone signal will disappear instantly. Wait for about 5-10 seconds, then tap the airplane icon again to disable airplane mode. If you still see the Venmo transaction declined error, the next step is to check if your app is updated. Open the App Store, tap the search icon at the bottom right, and search for Venmo. If an update button appears next to the app, tap it to install the latest version. Till encountering issues? It's time to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings, scroll down to General, and tap on it. Select iPhone Storage, find the Venmo app and tap it. Then choose Offload App and confirm. Once completed, a reinstall button will appear. Tap it to reinstall the app. And that's how you fix the Venmo transaction declined error. Thank you for watching.